Well, it's Monday morning and the rain's let up, so I'm going to come down and take a look at this boat motor. If you recall from the last video, I got it going, got it in the water, but it was making some god-awful screech at higher speeds. So I want to get it started, get it warmed up, and then I'm going to take the recoil off as it's warm, as it's running, and take it out for a bit of a run without the starter recoil on top and see if maybe that is the problem. That'll at least narrow it down. If that is the problem, great, probably a cheap fix. If it isn't the problem, then it's probably something more internal than I'm really prepared to deal with, but we'll see. I don't have the dock in just yet. Dock's still floating out in the back bay, so I got to land the boat off this front east tip of the island. A little bit of a walk, but it's beautiful. Not sure what that is. Maybe you can leave a comment if you know what it is. Speak of the devil. Well, I guess the first order of business will be to start bailing because it did rain last night. And there is a small leak somewhere. It was at this point that I decided to lift the motor to check that there was no oil leaking, and when I saw the damage the propeller had made on the gear case housing, I knew exactly what my problem was. A surge of relief waved over me as I could see my problem was simple. I had forgotten to put the prop shaft thrust washer on. This caused the propeller to lurch forward a quarter inch during high speed or thrust, causing the screech you heard earlier. Although this did gouge the gear case, it was mostly cosmetic damage. I was so concerned that I would be in for a major engine overhaul, but I was able to put the thrust washer back on, and life was good once again. Now it's time to bring the dock around from the back bay and get it anchored into place.